Yesterday, I happened to challenge my cable bill for my apartment. Not a lot of money, but I said, gee, how do they get to that number? It was a couple of $100. It's not that I'm cheap, it's just that I want to make sure I don't squander money. I won't spend money frivolously. I don't think there's anything inconsistent with having been successful and also being frugal. I love to buy my wife nice things. I love to do things with my family. I love to travel. I like to go to nice restaurants. I love the theater. My palate is pretty simple. I like meatball loaf. I like meatballs and pasta and a bagel with olive cream cheese on it. I like candy, cheap candy, juicy fruits, good and plenty, nibs. I'm not a Starbucks guy. I'll go to a greasy spoon and get a cup of coffee. It tastes good. Going out and getting a pizza and seeing a good movie. No, it's none of my business. None of my business. What they spend with their money is their business. Now, who the hell am I to decide it's a waste of money? I don't think it's my lot in life or my right to judge how somebody else spends their money.